Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to log in into your Millenium BCP bank account online. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to come here on the official website of Millenium bcp.pt. Once you are here on this page, simply just click on this login option that will be given here on the top. Now it is going to ask you to provide your user code first. So you need to provide your user code over here. Then click on the option of continue. Now if you don't remember your user code, you can just click on this link that is given here. After that, it is going to show you a bunch of different options with the help of which you can basically get your user code. So after providing it, simply click on the option of continue. Then on the next page, you will have to provide the password associated with your account. Now for extra layer of security, you might have added the security verification on your account. So if you have done that, you will have to provide the OTP that will be sent on your registered email address. So once the code is prompted to you, simply provide that and you will be able to just get access to your account in no time. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.